Hello and welcome from beautiful Peculiar, Missouri. I'm located here at the Flying J truck stop, and there's a Denny's here. Of course, it's right off the interstate. It's exit 146. And look what I found. I found a GM Energy, formerly marked as Ultimum. I think they changed their mind on this. I've seen this during construction, and this is what we have now. It is a 4-stall. Believing that to be true, there are 4 charge handles. I think you can actually go and charge 1 vehicle per lane. I don't think there's any plans to expand this here. I think that you get 4 chargers, and looks like the charger is in place. I would bet it's wired up. Looks like a pretty nice job here. See if we can find the plate on it, see what it is. And here we are. So this is a Delta charger. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit here. This is a Delta charger. It looks like up to 950 volts output at 175 kW times 2 at 500 amps maximum, or 350 kW if it's only 1 vehicle charging per stand here. Well, that's kind of cool. There are 2 charge stands. You can charge 4 cars or 1 car at 350 kW here. So that's pretty cool. I don't know the reliability of these, but I suspect, being new, that they're going to be pretty good. Just off the highway, we're off Interstate 49 here in Peculiar, Missouri. But this has been under construction for months here. The actual marking on the top here said Ultimum, and now it reads GM Energy. So maybe this is something new for General Motors. I do not know if it's going to be available for anybody else. More importantly, the charge handles here are CCS. They are not NACS, and I don't believe these can be retrofitted, but you never know. Delta may have them, and it is a standard CCS connector. So this is what we have. Anyway, if I look over here, we've got a bunch of charging spaces marked here with the same blue color. It has the switch gear. The only thing missing is perhaps the transformer to drive it. If I walk over here now, try to avoid some of the mud. This is where the transformer is going to go. And currently, I think we just have a box here and no transformer. So when the transformer is delivered and connected, I think the system will be powered up. When? Couldn't tell you. Haven't talked to anybody in Flying J, so I don't know. Anyway, there you go. Peculiar, Missouri. I'm at the GM Energy 4-stall Delta-equipped charge here at the Flying J. If you like today's video, give me a like, and if you would, please subscribe. Pass it on to your friends, and do not forget the Tesla referral link shown here at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next video, and take care.